Good morning, it's Tuesday. Gonna go out caravanning with my girlfriend Jane, and we're gonna see a tiny bit in Hancock Park because I saw a lot on Sunday, and then we're gonna head a little bit south, so it'll have a little bit different vibe than other weeks. Fireplace, nice floors. So that looks newer.
Yes, they just want the 2 bathrooms. They were planning to live here,
Yeah.
and they're in their 70s, and they own on summer property, so they really need a choice.
So they did the bathroom floors.
They replaced everything but the sink. On the tile of the bathroom, replaced.
Yeah. Let's take a peek out here. If it's open, it may not be. Oh, good. It's quiet. That wall is weird, huh? And you are behind Larchmont, so you're behind that building that used to be the Larchmont bungalow, was it? Bungalow? Okay, we're done with that house. It's on First and Lucerne, and we're playing Guess That Price. So Jane guessed
1.5.
and then the agent said we're 1.8. So it's over $1,000 a square foot, which is crazy because that's what a house is going. What do you think? Good bones?
Yeah, but way too small for that price.
Yeah. And then you have Larchmont businesses behind you. So let's move on to Fremont Place. Hey, we are in Fremont Place. And if you're not familiar with Fremont, it is just south of Wilshire, and I have a blog about it on my website. And Mike Hockney? Hockney, is it? We were just at LACMA, so the floors are fantastic. I'll give them that.
The windows are pretty.
I don't like that mirror, but it's just a mirror. So you have the newer lighting.
I love the entrance. That's so big.
Ah, I wish I had a dining room this big. So we got a powder here. Very nice. Open kitchen. That's kind of fun.
That's beautiful.
Let's see what we got going on here. That's a watch your step line.
Yeah.
Little garage.
Look at the fridge.
Damn. Do you want a Perrier for the car? What do we got in here?
All right.
Wash. Oh, okay, cute.
It's good.
Now, it smells April fresh. Should I take a peek? I usually do, so let me take a peek.
Do it.
And watch your head. That would suck if I had to.
Take the emergency bed.
Yeah. Clean floor. I just don't like being under houses, but there you
Oh
go.
wait, this is it.
Cute deck.
You could have kids out there and not worry about them throwing themselves over the edge.
Would that be so bad?
Oh, wow. Massive.
Wow. And it opens to said deck that I tried to shoot. Funny. That opens too.
Oh, this is nice.
I haven't really seen anything. Oh, it's glass like that.
I like it.
You do.
I do.
Let's go. Let's follow. Do we see? Maybe there's a bathroom in here.
Oh my God.
This is big.
Massive. These are nice size rooms though. They're nothing's like pinched and
Yeah,
small.
there's another add-in closet. They've done a lot of that.
Wow.
And I bet you the toilet seat's up. Let's see. Oh, it's down.
It's pretty.
This is so big.
I love the windows. The light is beautiful in this place.
It's a little funny. There's two masters. They lead to the same deck.
And like, if you have kids, who gets what?
Yeah, and want them out on your deck,
Yeah.
looking into your bedroom.
This
It's interesting.
bathroom is nicer.
Okay, 4,800 square feet. Oh my God. 5 bedrooms? 4 bedrooms, 5 baths. We are in Fremont Place. Do you have a guess?
Price wise?
Yeah.
Oh God, 4.5.
6 million. Okay, duplex. Looks like it was just done.
Very
Cute.
solid.
Floors are great. Kind of vanilla kitchen.
Not a bad size for a duplex.
Washer, dryer. It's all clean and pristine out there. So we're on Hauser and 18th. And it can be a little bit loud. So 1 bedroom?
Yeah.
All right, let's see the other unit. Number 2, so the floors are lighter. The floors are nice.
These are great.
It's got the same feel.
Original.
Yeah, they look like they were just redone. Same feel for the kitchen. It's got that rental smell. It's like they added on like in a strange way. Full bath and a bedroom. And let's see what's upstairs. Where's the steps again?
Yeah.
Okay, this is interesting. Step down.
This is interesting.
Oh, there's an upstairs.
The bathroom here and bedroom, Penny.
And then probably one upstairs as well.
This is
See, so we're upstairs. And closet.
it's nice to get high.
Isn't it nice that the toilet seat's up? And the floors are great. Oh no, the floors are cheap. Look at these floors.
Yeah.
They spent money on the steps, but not.
Yeah.
And then a little balcony. And still a little bit loud. Doing a little walk and talk. That was an income property. I forgot. I caravan single family and income. So the agent's guessing you could get $3,200 in the back, and we think that's too high for Hauser. And then in the front, under 1,000. And he's saying over. So nope. Okay, we are in Mid-City. We are on Palm Grove. We're going into a house. We don't know the price again. We are super close to the 10, and we can hear it and probably smell it and breathe it. Ooh. Kitchen. Booties. Ooh, how'd you get through there? Oh, you gotta be slim. Oh, look at the toilet seats up. I love it. Mm-hmm. See, now you're getting everywhere every day. This is a bedroom. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And a back house. And paneling. Oh, St. Therese. Another bedroom. And quick view of the living room. Okay, guess that price. Next to the 10.
550.
A little bit more and a lot bit more. It's 1,500 square feet. I don't know if that matters.
A lot more. 700.
750.
Wow.
Yep.
Really amazing. Eileen.
The wood is gorgeous.
Yeah,
It feels like new old wood.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And did you stage this? Is it staged?
Yes, it is.
Okay, I'm gonna explain Mills to her.
Okay.
Oh, Morgan. Ooh. So she's going down. You report back because I'm not. Should I come down?
It's kind of scary.
It's scary.
This is
You can see under the house.
the heating duct. That's scary. That looks like
Ew. Asbestos. It's big though. So you just put your wine down there and you send your kids down for your wine
This
and you're
reminds
done.
me of my cat.
The pot filler. This is cool. It's a nice mix, right?
Yeah, it's pretty.
Feels a tiny bit dark, but it's probably the day. So look, a back staircase and a breakfast room-ish. No, I guess you could put your dining in here. Wow, this is huge.
Wow, nice.
Okay, fun staircase. We'll have to check that out. Bedroom in here. So it's funny. It's got the old and the new. I'm not digging that floor at all. This feels a little bit cheap, but the toilet seat's down.
Greenery out here.
And some nice potted plants.
Yeah,
I don't dig this stone for this style house.
yeah, I agree.
There's one fern. Oh, guest house. Smells like a garage. Okay, very interesting layout.
Oh wow.
So you have a 3/4 bath, a full kitchen.
I mean, this looks like great for guests, but I don't know. if
And
it's
2
that-
rooms.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Big.
I kind of like the lath, is it called?
Kind of feels beachy.
Yeah, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, I like that too.
And closets. Okay, so we're above the family room. We got a sisal rug.
Oh, this is cool.
Oh, and a deck.
Wow. Oh my god.
Huh.
Very nice.
Does it connect to the back staircase? There's 3 staircases. Look at how this is staged. Do you need a massage?
Wait, are they not living here? Is the entire house?
This
staged?
looks staged.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's big.
Oh.
Rest of the house? Yes.
Aw.
It's cute. I don't know if I'd pick this flooring. Oh, that's weird. Through another bedroom. We'll go back out there. Wow, they all connect.
My God.
Look at that shower.
Wow.
Floor is nice. Tub. Oh, you smell the sisal, I'd be sneezing all the time. Oh, that's pretty. This is so weird. Okay, that was 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 5,100 square feet. It is a really, really big house. And the price was 2.2, and it's a nice community. Again, I have Lafayette Park on my blog if you want to check it out. I think it's a good value. Messed up a little bit on the ceramic floors. And that's a wrap. Jane went home. We did see one more at 150 North McCadden, which is one of my favorite houses. I was in it on Sunday, if you saw my Instagram stories, and I'm gonna put it on my blog. Hopefully by tonight. It's a great house.